Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials, open Classkick and sign into your teacher account. Once logged in, create a new assignment and name it clearly so students find it fast. Upload 1 to 3 slides or import a PDF. This gives structure. Make sure your roster is loaded or paste student emails now so submissions match names. While you upload, pick a due date and whether it's live feedback or self-paced. This sets expectations and saves time later. Now customize the activity for learning and assessment. Choose assignment settings, due date, class visibility, and whether students work live or at their own pace. Add interactive elements, audio instructions, a short video clip, or digital sticky notes to guide work. These support different learners. Place questions, draw layers, or use text boxes where you want student responses. Once configured, preview as a student to confirm clarity. This prevents confusion and reduces rework during the lesson. Launch the assignment and monitor progress in real time. If live, watch student thumbnails and jump to any student slide to leave voice or written feedback. This keeps momentum. If assigned, check submission timestamps and use the gradebook export to download scores. Once grading is done, return work with comments and optional revisions. If someone can't access it, first confirm class roster and sharing settings, then clear cache or resend the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.